Good morning, fifth grade. I am just going to give you a brief overview of the different activities you can just kind of work your way through this morning. So you will go to Google Classroom and it should be the very top thing there, and it's labeled September Timely Tech. And we will just get that open. Like I said, we'll go through these. I just want you to get as many done as you can. There's lots of different technology things, some writing things, but please work through them in order. But no big deal if you don't get them all done, just work your hardest. So if we go to slide 2, this one relates to a lot of what we've been doing lately, really working on our searching skills. All right, so here is your question you are Googling, and then you see you're gonna just tell me the one source. That would just be Googling it, copying and pasting the URL here, and then looking for that website publisher or author. And then, because we've talked about how we really need to make sure that we find the same answer or a consistent answer in more than one place, then you need to find another website that gives you the same answer, give me the same information, and tell me the answer to why is September 30th days long, or why is September 30 days long. So that's the first slide. Then the next 2 slides is just kind of a word game. So from these 3 words, how many words can you make? And you just type them in the boxes. So they gave you, for instance, hunter. So those just came as a combination of those 3 words. And that's the same. Oh. And the same thing here. Then just some different writing prompts, kind of more to work so on our keyboarding skills. So you just read the prompt in green, and please give me a thorough answer, capital letters, periods, all of that. Then we have several slides that is decoding. And so this, you really have to take your time. So the first code here is 01010011. So just having to look through and see where that is to get the letter, and I'm trying to find it here. It looks like 0100, no, 0101 0011. So it looks like the first letter is S. So you would type that down in the box, and the next puzzles are the same. Then here we have just a word search. These are the words. It says just use the shape tool here to find those. And then here's just another prompt, just working on your typing skills. And then finally, if you happen to make it all the way to these coding ones, you just have to give instructions for going through the maze and watching out for obstacles. So like here, they're just saying, for example, maybe I have to go left 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that wouldn't work there, but that's what it means. All right, like I said, you don't need to get through all of it, but please work through them in order and do your best.